A lot of iPhone talk, a lot of iPhone events. You know who's not into the iPhone is Blackpink, the famous K-pop group.
Okay.
Not only are they not into the iPhone, but if you approach them with an iPhone, they will refuse your selfie, in fact.
Smack it right out of your
Well,
hand.
they might not smash it in front of you, but they'll just turn the other way, like pretend they don't see you, and definitely not take the selfie. Now, you didn't know this, Will.
No.
You see, that's why sometimes I got to bring these things to your attention.
The K-pop update?
Yeah, sometimes I catch you slipping.
All right.
And then I got to bring you back in line because this is a big deal, Blackpink.
Yes. I've heard they are.
Yeah, they're a very big deal. So they have, well, this is, first of all, it's a wonderful headline that they won't even mess with your iPhone. It says a couple of things. It talks about.
Huge title.
That's a huge title. But it gives you some insight into K-pop and Korea and endorsement deals. They've got a deal with Samsung. And they follow it to a T, that deal with Samsung, in a way where you're almost impressed at the level that they draw the line in the sand. And so they've been doing this huge promo with the Galaxy A80. You're hearing their tunes all over the place. I guess, is BTS doing something as well?
They do LG stuff. No, Samsung. The Fold.
The Fold?
Yeah.
Yeah, they got it locked down, man. The K-pop, Samsung's got the K-pop locked down right now. And they even got their own colors, their own special edition. Actually, if you scroll down right now, you'll see the Galaxy A80 Blackpink edition, which is going to be, which was available in Singapore. Look at that collab with the watch, and this was a while ago. So that post there is August of 2019. It's old, but they've been working together for a long time, and who knows the extent of their agreement? But that's a pretty large level of collaboration right there. Like Apple's not going to do that. Apple's not going to do that for Blackpink.
No, never.
But anyway, here's where things heat up because I got to give you the whole story, Will. Because remember, you're slipping over here. You go scroll down a little further and you find a video clip of a fan front row at a Blackpink show. And she's holding up her phone for the selfie with Jennie from Blackpink.
Okay,
and Jennie starts to approach and she goes, okay, fine. And then she touches it and, like it's poison. She drops it. And you know what she mouths? Because you can't tell what she mouthed right there, Will. But of course, I ran the analysis, of course, as I would.
Wow.
And she
got shocked there.
She got shocked. Okay, so here's what it says. She says, iPhone no, comma, Galaxy, ... Samsung, and then walks away. Their deal is so strong to remember and have it front of mind in that moment. No iPhone. And the other one got too far along where the other one who's laser beam focused said, you put that down.
Wow.
Did you see all this happen? There's a high level stuff.
Yeah. Dude, imagine going to like a meet and greet, paying like hundreds, thousands maybe. And then all of a sudden you just want a picture with them. You're carrying an iPhone.
But here's the thing, Will. In the old days, with the endorsements, it's okay because you're not constantly being recorded. But today, you sign the exclusive deal. I will only hold the Samsung devices.
Yeah.
So the difference is, Will, let me tell you the difference. If somebody shows up and just snaps a photo of you with an iPhone, fine. It's you holding it. It's them holding it is the issue. And you can tell the way you put that down. And they really, the one girl, I got a lot of respect. The one girl, Jennie, she knows the score. She knows the deal.
Samsung's just clapping.
Yeah. She's like, oh, the Samsung executives, they love it, man. And of course, they love it, man. And,
oh my God,
but she knows the deal so well is when she polices the other girl who forgets the rule. And then she comes over and like, Samsung, what's the matter with you?
Slap. No.
We got this deal. Okay, so anyways, it goes deeper.
Okay.
One fan, Kryptonite 0424 on Twitter, says, okay, fine, I'm going to find a way around this. I'm about to go to the Blackpink in Chicago, and I got an iPhone. So what I'm going to do is just write on my case, Samsung. Although I don't know why you got to
Why she
scratch
got the
out
camera too?
spelling error and everything like that. I'm just going to write it on my case and take my phone to Jenny because then, you know, make a little joke. Well, you scroll down and this person actually got the phone in front of Jenny from Blackpink and she's about to start rapping here in a moment and actually notices apparently the case and starts laughing and it disrupts her actual rapping. That's what this person says, at least. They're very happy with it. And it sort of looks like she recognized it. Maybe she's just having a good time. But anyway, point being is that is a serious Samsung sponsorship deal. Blackpink, I mean, they had to put ungodly money in the bank to police it like that. They put some money in the bank to police it like that. And so shout out to Jenny from Blackpink.
Which one is her again?
For being the boss and making sure everybody follows suit.